Why is everything in these home decor stores suddenly so expensive? At this rate, I am not going to be able to redecorate anything in my home because these prices are just too high.
Right now, the statewide average price per gallon is $3.64 for regular.
It's no secret that your trip to the supermarket is costing more.
Year over year, the cost of your airline ticket price is up 18% higher.
Hello everyone, it's Elle, and let's talk about how the economy is dictating consumer spending on home decor trends. Astronomical gas prices, grocery prices have consumers choosing to spend time at home. And when you spend more time at home around your house, you start to notice little and big things that may need improvements. And with consumers like you and I watching how we spend our money, we decide on little projects and DIYs getting completed first. Stores like Lowe's, Walmart, Ross, HomeGoods, and Amazon are seeing a trend in product spending. In 2026, the spring season is not the only reason consumers are spending time beautifying their backyards. The economy is causing folks to put off their vacations and embrace staycations. Home outdoor DIY projects are finally being completed. Lowe's is a great place to find building materials to spruce up your yard. Find privacy fences, outdoor pavers, and even a dreamy trellis. And what has proven to be an even bigger trend this year is gardening. Whether you're doing your frontscape, your backscape, a patio, blooms are in for every part of the home. And the garden center is on full display with beautiful perennials and annuals to help you decorate your outdoor spaces, crevices. Gardening has become a huge forever trend amongst every age demographic. Gardening allows for mental clarity and creativity. It gives aesthetically pleasing views of what anyone can create, whether vegetables or just a plain bloom. And you have a choice to do a patio planting or a full-on backyard transformation with beautiful flowers and vegetables. Now let's talk about that patio for a second. When dressing up the patio, many folks are heading over to stores like HomeGoods and Ross to create a patio and balcony outdoor living oasis. Start with new patio chairs. Acapulco chairs really make a small outdoor space stand out. And adding greenery, patio lights, real and faux plants creates an inviting space, and you'll spend a lot more time outdoors. If you have a bigger patio space, a new table and chair arrangement with a shade makes a great place to have sunny conversations with a summer breeze. And let's not forget to dress up our outdoor tabletops. You can stay tuned for later in the video where I take you into the store so you can see all these great home decor products on the shelves. Paint and wall decor is another trend that's being bought up in the stores because neighbors and extended guests are stopping by since you're going to be home all the time. So you want to head into Lowe's to refresh the paint on your walls or touch up the scuffs. And after a new paint job calls for new wall decor. So don't forget to stop into places like Ross and HomeSense to find those beautiful wall art pieces. Let's talk about the trend of faux florals. We all enjoy moments of peaceful bliss, and faux florals have a way of creating beautiful mental moments for everyone. Many shoppers are not just adding faux flowers and faux greenery to their tabletops, they're also adding it to their outdoor spaces, meaning they are planting faux flowers in the ground because everyone is trying to save their coins and also beautify their gardens without having to spend the cost to replace these blooms year after year. And if you choose to add these faux beauties to your flower bed, remember that they have to be UV resistant. And regardless of how you plant them, these beauties will help relax you and make a statement in your garden and in your home. And no matter how you choose to decorate your patio, backyard, and your landscaping, don't forget that bug repellent, particularly for mosquitoes. Make sure you pick up a bug zapper from Amazon or Walmart. Be prepared for those bugs for the season of spring and summer. And don't forget to visit local plant nurseries to get beautiful perennials and annuals, and then visit the Stone Yard to help your landscaping dreams come together. And keep watching for more patio decor, florals, and a whole lot of home decor inspiration. I truly appreciate you watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.